Okay, now we're looking at one that's got some indices involved. By now we should be really comfortable with the process, and it's just the algebra that we're focusing on. Okay, so we've done our P of 1. We've proved that that's true. We are assuming PK is true in order to prove PK plus 1 is true. Okay, so now we're going to rewrite our statement, but we are going to include our K plus first term. So we rewrite everything. We've got our kth term, so 2 to the K take 1. We just, wherever n was here, we replaced it with K. And now we're going to replace Kn with K plus 1. So we end up with, instead of K plus 1 take 1, it's just K. So that's 2 to the K. And on the right hand side, that's going to be 2 to the K plus 1 minus 1. Okay, so now let's get down to the maths. So we've got left hand side, actually I'll just pop it down here, a little bit of space. We've got left hand side equals, same as always, right? This whole bit here, oh, that shouldn't be K there, should it? That bit there is going to be our, right, all up there is the same as that. So we can replace all of that with PK. All right, so what is PK? PK is 2 to the K take 1, and then we've got plus 2 to the K. And we want to make that look like the right-hand side. And you think, what's going on? What's going on? Well, let's have a look. We've got the minus 1 here, which is really great because we want that like we had before. We've got 2 to the K plus another 2 to the K. So I've got 2 lots of 2 to the K. And then we've got our take 1 at the end. Now, hopefully you can see what I can see is that we are timesing by the same base here. And when we're timesing by the same base, we have to add the powers. So that's how we end up with 2 to the K plus 1 minus 1. And that does indeed equal our right-hand side. So therefore, PK plus 1 is true. And you need to now pop your statement in. One little thing, I think I forgot that in a previous question that we did. At this point here, right, this is, make sure we're putting in using PK. And if you haven't used PK to help with your proof, then that's a bit of a glitch, because that's part of the process that you have to prove that PK plus 1 is true using PK. All right, and then we pop our statement. Our job here is done.